It is another beautiful day for Kapampangan basketball as we bring you the continuing coverage of your 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia's born 2001 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta. As we can see here, Juan Magalang trying to continue their and hoping to get their second lucky win of the week to end this elimination round at makakatapat nila dito. Itong si Francis Galura trying to continue his dominance para mabalik ang tiwala sa kanya ng kanyang head coach. Our games for today, game number 1, of course, Juan Magalang Basketball kontra CALOGURAN Santa Rita. Game number 2, Juan Sasmuan kontra United Dumasan Ballers. And game number 3, Fernandino Kayabe kontra Minalin All-Stars. And game number 4, I Love San Simon kontra Angeles City Red Warriors. At para sa ating main event and last game of our eliminations round, Macabebe Warriors kontra Abe King Panyulong Florida Blanca. Isang magandang umaga po sa inyo mga kabalan. Ako po ang inyong makakasama, Penelope Wilhelmina, para po dito sa ating last day ng eliminations of our Delta Cup. But before anything else po, of course, pwede po nating tutukan itong Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 sa ating Facebook page at Pampanga PIO. At meron din po tayong YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO. At pwede nyo rin po itong tutukan sa broadcast partner nitong Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 at Sinag Liga TV. But before anything else, tignan muna natin kung nasaan na ba sa team standings itong dalawang kupunan na maglalaban ngayon. As we can see here, itong Santa Rita, tie sila dito ng I Love San Simon. So it's at ito namang Juan Magalang, tie at tatlo silang nagtatay dito. So these two teams are really hoping to get their lucky win para dito sa ating first game and last 5 games ng ating elimination rounds. And of course, hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa. Coming up is the battle between CALOGURAN Santa Rita kontra Juan Magalang Basketball. And now I'm turning you over to Ram Valid for our Delta Cup starters of the game.
Good morning once again, Delta Cup fans. We're coming to you live inside San Fernando City, Pampanga, the home of Pampanga Delta at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. This is the Delta Cup 2023 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sinag Liga Asia. Catch live action at Pampanga Public Information Office FB page and YouTube channel. Our first match for today, it's the battle between Juan Magalang Basketball and your CALOGURAN Santa Rita. And now let's meet the protagonists. First for your Juan Magalang Basketball. Point guard number 2, Jordan Bungay. Shooting guard number 28, Errol Mandaloto. Forward number 21, Rapa Canlapan. Also forward number 22, Jap Buton. And center number 9, Kian Duncan. Head coach for Juan Magalang Basketball is Joey Mercado. Assistant coaches Ponce Malik, Jebren Hudilia, Jerima Feliciano, and Chris Bondo. Your Juan Magalang Basketball. And now let's meet our starters for your CALOGURAN Santa Rita. At guard number 8, Ivan Bernarder. Also at guard number 25, Aljon Manyalak. At forward number 12, Luis Gilas. Also at forward number 21, Jayman Buhan. And center number 1, Justin Escobar. Head coach for the CALOGURAN Santa Rita is Aaron Laksamana. Assistant coaches Louis Vincent Nueva, Peter Enriquez Jr., and Marty Ocampo. Team manager Mr. Reynan Calo. Your CALOGURAN Santa Rita. Game officials charged in action, Dennis Escaros, Noel Menchero, and Anthony Galutera. This is your Delta Cup 2024
Of course, our starters para dito sa panig ng Juan Magalang, we have Bungay, Manaloto, Dungka, Canlapan, and Buton. At para sa panig ng Calugoran Santa Rita, meron tayo dito si Bernarte, Manyalak, Escobar, Gilas, at Buwan. Penelope Wilhelmina at your service para po sa laban ng Calugoran Santa Rita at Juan Magalang Basketball. Mga kabalen, last day po ng ating elimination round para sa ating Delta Cup. Possession goes to the side of Juan Magalang. But still para dito sa panig ng Santa Rita. And a nice basket for Santa Rita over there. 2-man up top for Juan Magalang. Nice pass. Oh, sorry, miss. Santa Rita trying to get their lucky basket, second lucky basket rather. Manyalak. Balik kay Manyalak dito ang bola. Buwan to Manyalak. Manyalak trying to go for a screen. Nice pass. Pero dumulas yun sa kamay neto. Ni Gilas. Buton scored 18 points yesterday. In and out. Almost a putback para dito sa panig ng Juan Magalang. Oh, nice layup. Sorry, miss for Santa Rita. 8 minutes and 51 seconds. Manaloto. Manaloto is fouled. Inbound for Juan Magalang. Almost a basket. Medyo maaga pa kaya parang yung mga easy basket na itong parehong kupunan. Nahihirapan silang i-convert yun into points. Canlapan is rewarded by a bonus free throw doon sa huli niyang attempt ng basket. 1 out of 2. For Canlapan. 7 minutes and 53 seconds. Guanlao. Balik dito kay Bernarte ang bola. Manyalak. What an easy basket for Ivan Guanlao. Manaloto against kay Buwan. Miss pass for Manaloto. Nice pass. Pero sorry, miss dito para kay Escobar. Reverse basket, no good. The putback by Jeff Buton. Let's take a look at the replay. Jeff Buton being dominant on the rebound. Gets a bonus free throw after that basket. That's a sorry miss for Jeff Buton. 7 minutes remaining on the game clock. 17 seconds at the shot clock for Santa Rita. Bernarte. Balik sa kanyang bola. Oh, nice kick there by Bernarte. Oh, a sorry miss. That jumper is a sorry miss for Jaymon Buwan. Manaloto against Buwan. Jeff Buton. Manaloto, it's good. Para kay Manaloto. Three-point shot. That's long. Canlapan. Balik dito ang bola. Kay Bungay. Bungay to Manaloto. Manaloto drives? No. He passes. Dito kay Jeff Buton. Nice assist of Manaloto to his teammate Jeff Buton. Of course, almost a beautiful play para sa panig ng Juan Magalang. Bernarte. Bernarte kicks to Buon. Balik kay Manyalak ang bola. Oh, nice pass. Bernarte for 3. It's short. Musa put back. Ito, Manaloto against Bernarte. Nice pass again of Manaloto. There's a violation for Juan Magalang. Of course, we're still live inside of BREN GUIAO Convention Center. 5 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. 17 seconds on the shot clock for Santa Rita. What will they do? Bernarte, one-hand shot. It's good for Ivan Bernarte. Medyo mali. Oh, a bad pass for Ariel Manaloto. One thing I've noticed sa mga past games na na-cover ko for Santa Rita and for Juan Magalang, they're well known for putting their best defensive plays, and yung mga tao nila, it's always a sure basket eh. So this is quite a very good game. Lalo pa at tie sila sa ating team standings. Ball bounces out. Inbound for Juan Magalang with 15 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Ariel Manaloto working here with Jeff Buton. Oh, nice kick. And an easy basket for Rafa Canlapan. Ariel Manaloto showing great leadership skills, leading his teammates to put that baskets accounted one, being the team captain as an easy one-hand shot for Ivan Bernarte. Back-to-back, one-hand shot for Ivan Bernarte. What a move there by Jeff Buton. Sobrang dali na lang nun para sa kanya. 11-8 is our score in favor of Juan Magalang. 4 minutes and 15 seconds on the game clock. 14 on the shot clock for Santa Rita. Manyalak. Balik kay Buon ang bola. That three-point shot is long. Rebound. Out of bounds. Ball possession goes to Santa Rita. A substitution on the floor. The dominant Francis Galura checks in, and we take a look at this play of Jeff Buton escaping the 3 guards, the 3 defensive players of Santa Rita. Galura and James Buon check in for today's ball game para dito sa panig ng Santa Rita. Tatlo lang ang hinahabol nila dito. Manaloto. Manaloto against Bernarte. Manaloto drives. Manaloto scores. 13-8. 3 minutes and 34 seconds on the game clock. Manyalak. Nice steal for Juan Magalang. Likup. Likup, nice kick. 3-point shot. It's long. Guanlao to Bernarte. Bernarte to Galura. Sorry, miss for Galura. 2 versus 1. David. David, nice kick to Manaloto. Sorry, miss for Buton. They were there para sa rebound. So substitution on the floor again from both sides. Dizon checks in to the side of Juan Magalang. Two minutes and 51 seconds. 12 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Is inbound for Juan Magalang. Ball possession back to the side of Santa Rita. De Dios. Balik kay De Dios ang bola. Balik kay Galura. Galura. No good for Galura. 2 missed field goal for Galura here. Turnover for Juan Magalang. Santa Rita trying to keep up sa 4 na kalamangan. 3-point shot, still no good for the side of Santa Rita. Pangilinan. Oh, 3-point shot, still no good. Juan Magalang, jumper. I thought it's a jumper, but nice kick from Nilo Licup. Doon sa libreng teammate niya sa ilalim, itong si David. But a bad pass doon. As 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. Timeout on the floor, 30-8.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia. This, of course, Pampanga Delta, together with Hustle Rising Suns, the with 1 Kapampangan. The 3 Kapampangan teams already confirmed that they are joining our Junior World Showcase Philippines. Of course, I want to give a shout out to Coach J.R. De La Cruz, the head coach of the Hustle Rising Suns. Jambol here on the basketball. Let's take a look. Ball possession to Juan Magalang. Licup. Dito kay Licup ang bola. Licup against 3. Almost a good pass. Pero nakaabang itong si De Dios. One thing for the side of Juan Magalang, you don't give itong Santa Rita an easy... Oh, was a 3-point shot there. Sobrang layo nun for De Dios. Galura, in and out. Rebound by Juan Magalang. Care of Dizon. Pangilinan, nice kick. Jumper. Still no good. Oh, nice rebound para dito sa panig ng Juan Magalang. Nice steal by David. Balik pa din sa Santa Rita ang bola with 40 seconds remaining. Galura jumper. Still no good. 4 missed field goal for Francis Galura. At nasubaybayan nyo itong batang to, magtataka kayo kung bakit wala pa siyang basket for this ball game. Oh, as that 3-point shot from Nilo Licup. First 3-point shot of the ball game. Care of Nilo Licup of Juan Magalang. Ito na naman, si Licup. Let's see what will Licup do. Licup, nice kick. Jumper for Pangilinan. It's good for Sean Pangilinan. In the span of 40 seconds, Juan Magalang was able to score 5 points and outscored there. Itong Santa Rita, so take a look at the first quarter highlights. At good pass of Manaloto to Buton. Easy basket for Jeff Buton. This, Bernarte. One-hand shot for Bernarte. Here, the 3-point shot. First 3-point shot of the ball game, care of Nilo Licup. Those shots make this ball game at the end of the first quarter. 10 ang kalamangan ng Juan Magalang dito. 18-8.
You break. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
As we can see here, Ariel Manaloto, the team captain of One Magalang Basketball, and Zanu de Dios. De Dios, hoping for a three. Trying to find here ang libre na lang tao. Galura still. The 5th missed field goal for Francis Galura. Manaloto. 3-1 up. Oh! Bad pass for Ariel Manaloto. Pero libreng-libre doon si Jeff Buton. The Dios are trying to keep up on the 10-point advantage of One Magalang. Juanes to the Dios. Oh, nice kick. Balik pa din dito kay the Dios. The Dios, almost a good drive. One-hand shot, no good. Jeff Buton. Alboleras. Alboleras checks in for this ball game. Alboleras to Manaloto. Manaloto. 3-point shot. It's short for Guevara. Benal. The Dios. It's a traveling against Janu, the Dios. Parang malamig ba yung simula na itong Caloguran Santa Rita? But this is the usual lineup or yung mga taong naglalaro inside para dito sa parehang kuponan eh. So here, Jeff Buton. So it depende na sa mga nasa loob kung paano nila pagaganahin yung mga sarili nila inside the court. A missed basket para dito kay Kian Dunca. But he was rewarded a free throw on that attempt. As a substitution on the floor, Justin Escobar checks in. After that foul of Frandel Banag dito kay Kian Dunca. Pinagpahinga muna siya dito ni Coach Aaron Laksamana. Inbound for Santa Rita, 20-8, 8 minutes and 6 seconds. 2-0 run for One Magalang. It's a foul called to RJ Guevara. Lopez to the Dios. Santa Rita trying to get their first basket of the second quarter. The jumper still no good for Santa Rita. Nandito pa rin sa kanila. Ang bola, but a nice steal for Guevara. They was able to keep the ball at hands, and that is what I am talking about. The 3-point shot from Janu de Dios. 20-11, 2-3 run at our second quarter. With a 3-second violation called to Kian Dunca. Sideline inbound for Santa Rita. Hubinal working here with Jano de Dios, Lopez, Galura, and Escobar. 7 seconds on the shot clock. They have no time left. What will Galura do? Galura for 3. still the 6th missed field goal for Francis Galura. Ariel Manaloto against 1. Manaloto drives. Manaloto misses. Galura. Balik dito. Kay Juvenal ang bola. Juvenal. That shot is good for Christian Juvenal. Almost a miss para kay Dunca. Buton. De Dios. 6 minutes and 28 seconds. Sorry, bad pass. Dunca. Dunca against 1. Dunca, nice pass to Buton. Buton, one-hand shot. Sorry, miss for Buton. Balik sa Santa Rita ang bola. Juvenal. Pero foul called ulit dito kay RJ Guevara. Six minutes and 7 seconds as substitution on the floor. Milo Likop checks in for Guevara. 20-13. Ito na lang ang hinahabol ng kalamangan ng Santa Rita kontra 1 Magalang's timer on the floor. 6 minutes and 7 seconds.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
PBA Legends and Sinag Lakas 40 basketball exhibition game on March 10, 2024 at Paint Branch High School, Burtonsville, Maryland. Sa mga nakatutok po sa ating Facebook Live, of course, the date po is March 10, 2024, Sunday. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. basketball game, and of course 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. is basketball clinic. This event po is promises to be an exhilarating showcase of basketball talent featuring legendary players from the Philippine Basketball Association alongside the formidable athletes of Sinag Lakas 40. Of course, the Pure Foods players will be there. Alvin Patrimonio, John Ferrios, Roddy Santos, EJ File, and of course, our chairman at Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Ray Alaw. The president and the CEO of Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Ray Alaw, will participate on that game sa United States of America, sa Maryland po. Sa mga nakatutok po, nakabalen, mga kasinag po dito sa ating Delta Cup, if you have relatives na nasa Maryland po, you can show them the invite as we are now back at the 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for our second quarter, 22-13. Galura. Galura balik dito kay Lopez. Si basket for Lopez. Humugot na sa bench. Itong si Coach Aaron Laksamana. Foul called against Lopez. So substitution again on the floor for both sides. Jordan Bungay checks in for 1 Magalang. Kasabay netong si Ivan Buanlao. Galura kay Manyalak. Manyalak is back at the second quarter. Manyalak to Buanlao. It misses, it just bumps off the board. Like dito, sa 1 Magalang. Manaloto for 3. That's short. Let's see, kumukuha dito ni Buto ng rebound. No, the ball goes to Santa Rita. Manyalak, nice pass, almost an alley-oop play. But the ball bounces out for Santa Rita. Sideline inbound. Galura. Gilas. Gilas at the jumper. No good. Kuha ni Lopez. Balik dito kay Manyalak. Manyalak for 3. In and out. Gilas. Against 2. Galura. Galura for 3. In and out. That's too strong for Francis Galura. Still no basket or field goal for Francis Galura. Bungay to Manaloto. That's an easy putback for Kian Dunca. Ginamit na doon yung height advantage na against the defenders niya doon ng Santa Rita. 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Steal for the side of Juan Magalang. Bungay. Bungay to Manaloto. Manaloto scores. 3 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Take a look at this beautiful pass of Bungay to Manaloto. Manaloto drives. Manaloto scores. Easy basket for Erwin Manaloto. It's 3 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. 27 to 15. That's 12 ang hinahabol dito ng Santa Rita.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
As we are still live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, the home of the Sina Liga Ashes Born 2001 inaugural season champions, of course, Pampanga Delta. So you can see here, 3 minutes and 37 seconds together with the very own supportive fans, mga kapitbahay, friends, family, nitong mga Juan Magalang Basketball and Caluguran Santa Rita. As we approach the last day of our eliminations round. Buwan. Buwan to Gilas. Gilas trying for a 3. Relax na dito kay Buwan. Oh, nice kick for Francis Galura. James Buwan, rather. Manaloto. Manaloto against Galura. Oh, nice kick. Mula dito kay Manaloto to Dunca, but a sorry miss for Kian Dunca. 27 to 17 with 3 minutes and 1 second remaining. 16's on the shot clock. Rebound for Francis Galura. Galura, one-hand shot. Still no field goal for Francis Galura. Out of bounds. Sideline inbound for Santa Rita. Substitution on the floor. Lopez checks in for Francis Galura. Oh, pinulang ng oras dito yung Santa Rita. Oh, an easy layup for Nilo Likub. Balik sa 12 ang kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. 2 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. Still no good. That's long. Likub. Likub for 3. Likub from way downtown. His second three-point shot of the ball game. 32 to 17 with 1 minute and 53 seconds. Pero sumagot dito. Itong si Tristan Lopez ng 3 points. Balik sa 12 ang kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. Ariel Manaloto. Almost a miss for Ariel Manaloto. Likop for 3. That's long. Oh, miss pass or a bad pass para dito. Kay Rafa Canlapan. That one-hand shot, no good. Balik pa din dito kay Manaloto ang bola. Manaloto to Bungay. Bungay Nice kick to Likup. Manaloto. Manaloto drives. Manaloto scores. Bungay. Sorry, miss for the side of Santa Rita. Of course, 1 minute and 2 seconds remaining. 34-20. 14 ang kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. Of course, we would like to acknowledge ang mga boss po natin dito sa Sinag Liga Asia na nanonood at nakatutok dito sa ating Delta Cup. Of course, our chairman, Boss Rocky Chan, our president and CEO, Boss Ray Alaw, our marketing head, Boss Mark Arago, of course, the supportive wives, Ma'am John Chan and Ma'am Mariel Alaw, and of course, the commissioner of Sinag Liga Asia, Lakas 40, Commissioner Rodney Santos. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat mga boss and happy watching po dito sa ating weekend ball game for Delta Cup as 39 seconds remaining. 34-20. 14 ang hinahabol dito ng Santa Rita. 34-20.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024. Intermunicipality and City Tournament hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Of course, pwede nyo pong tutukan itong Delta Cup 2023-2024 sa aming YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. The official broadcast partner of Delta Cup is Sinag Liga Asia. As you can see here, the vid of Juan Magalang trying to give his team their second lucky win of the week, ending this elimination round with a bang. It's David to Likup. Likup to Dunka. Oh. 3-point shot. It's long. But almost a basket for Likup. But David is there for that easy putback. 36-20. 16 ang kalamangan. The biggest lead of the ball game. With 17 seconds remaining. What will Manyalak do? They can go here for a quick 3 or they can still go for a quick 2. That's short. But kay Likup. Likup with 6 seconds. Likup for 3. That's short. Easy basket for Juan Magalang, care of Bungay. Binato na lang niya dun eh, without hesitation. As we take a look at this, with the 3 seconds remaining, Likup for 3, it's short. Bungay is there. Bungay with that easy putback. 38-20, ending our first half. 18 ang kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. Grabe. As we take a look here, of course, mga kabalen, tutok mo lang po tayo dahil magbabalik po kami para sa second half of Delta Cup 2023-2024 Juan Magalang Basketball kontra CALOGURAN Santa Rita. 38-20, 18 ang kalamangan dito ng Juan Magalang Basketball.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Kapampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, PPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity,
magandang umaga mga kabalan. Kayo pa rin ay nakatutok sa ating Delta Cup 2023 to 2024. But before we go back to our ball game, dito muna tayo sa ating Delta Cup interviews at the half. I am joined here with the grace presence of the Municipality Mayor of Magalang, Pampanga, Mayor Malu Lacson. Mayor, good morning po. Kamusta po kayo?
Good morning po. Okay naman po. Okay naman po.
Mayor, my only question to you is, of course po, despite being the busy schedule, you're here to support One Magalang Basketball. What awaits para po sa kabataan and the sports plan po ninyo para sa Magalang, Pampanga?
Currently po kasi meron kami mga sports programs for the children and the younger adolescents po, no? Bali, active po sila sa mga interbarangay namin. At saka within the barangay po, meron silang mga palarong barangay. Hindi lang po basketball, pati rin ng mga volleyball at ibang mga sports. Even in the schools po, they are very oriented sa sports development ng mga bata. This is for the youth development po ng mga kabataan sa Magalang.
That's very great news po, Mayor. Now, I will give you the chance po to greet all your family, friends, and constituents, and to all the people supporting One Magalang Basketball.
Sa lahat po ng mga Magaleños, good morning po sa inyo lahat. Sana po supportahan po natin ang ating team na One Magalang dito sa Delta Cup. Last day daw ng elimination ngayon, so let us all pray po na sana makapasok po sila sa quarterfinals. So kahit dyan lang po sa mga bahay ninyo, supportan po natin sila at lagi po natin pinapanood ang mga laro dito sa Delta Cup 2024.
Thank you so much, Mayor Malu Lacson. Thank you,
Thank you.
of course, for joining us live here today inside the BREN Convention Center. Once again, that's Mayor Malu Lacson of Magalang, Pampanga. We are still back at our ball game. One Magalang Basketball, 38 to 20. 18 ang kalamangan ng One Magalang Basketball dito as we take a look at this halftime highlights that pass to Manyalak on easy basket for Lopez. Here, Manaloto to Buton in easy basket for Jeff Buton. Take a look here. Lopez for 3. Yun ang bawing 3-point shot ni Lopez mula sa 3-point shot ni Nilo Likup. Sagutan ng 3 para sa dalawang panig. As Manaloto drives, Manaloto scores. What a first half para dito sa dalawang koponan. Of course, our leading scorers for the side of Magalang. We have Manaloto with 9, Buton with 8, Likup with 7, and para sa Santa Rita, Bernarte with 4, Lopez with 4, Jano de Dios with 3. As I mentioned earlier, their go-to guy, Francis Galura, still no field goal for this ball game. As we can see here, Ariel Manaloto, the team captain of One Magalang Basketball, and the rest of the One Magalang Basketball team. Ako pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Penelope Wilhelmina, for the second half of this ball game. Let's see. As etong si Ivan Bernarte checks in for Santa Rita. Dito para sa One Magalang, Lagman, Manaloto, Buton, working with each other para mapanatili ang kalamangan nila. Here, Kanlapan. Rafa against dito kay... What a strong move by Rafa Kanlapan. Sobrang guarded niya na yun dito ni Luis Gilas. He was able to put that in a basket. Bernarte. Guanlao, jumper, no good. Balik dito sa One Magalang. Ang possession, Manaloto against Bernarte. Manaloto trying to look for a screen. Manaloto. Steal for Manaloto. Bernarte to... It's no good. Para kay Ivan Guanlao. He was still rewarded. Take a look at this. Bernarte to Guanlao. To Luis Gilas rather. Oh, out of 2 for Luis Gilas. 40-20. 20 ang kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. The biggest lead of the ball game. As that second throw is good for Luis Gilas. Bungay. And a foul called to Ivan Guanlao. Jeff Buton. Balik kay Bungay. Likod kay Bungay dito ang bola. Bungay trying to drive to Manaloto. Oh, sorry, miss for Manaloto. With a whistle for Ivan Bernarte. To Luis Gilas rather. It's 2-1 run. Dito sa Santa Rita. Manyalak kay Escobar. Easy basket for Justin Escobar. His first field goal of the ball game. That 3-point shot is no good for JV Lagman. Manyalak. Manyalak with 15 seconds on the shot clock. Jumper for Luis Gilas. It's too strong for Luis Gilas. Pero yung easy drive na yon ay okay para dito kay Luis Gilas. Ariel Manaloto. To Rafa Canlapan. Rafa, again, being so strong in that offense. That's no good this time. Bernarte kontra dito kay Manaloto. Good D for Ariel Manaloto pressuring Ivan Bernarte on there. Manaloto, that drive. And a bonus free throw for Ariel Manaloto. Showing his dominance and being a team captain as we take a look here. Ariel Manaloto. Nice move from Ariel Manaloto. (42-25). The bonus throw is no good for Ariel Manaloto. Manyalak. Balik dito kay Manyalak ang bola. He's trying to go for a 3. Manyalak for a jumper. It's too strong. Nakuha dito. Ivan Bernarte ang bola kay Luis Gilas. Gilas. Trying to put it on an inbound. That's jumper still malakas para dito kay Ivan Bernarte. Na putback ni Justin Escobar. Second field goal of the ball game. Bungay. Bungay to Manaloto. Manaloto, naghahanap ng teammate niya na libre. Oh, nice pass by Manaloto dito kay Rafa Canlapan. Nice eye for Ariel Manaloto. Take a look here. Manaloto. 2-man up top. Pero nakita niya, libre pa din doon si Rafa Canlapan. And after that shot, may bonus pang free throw itong si Rafa Canlapan, but he wasn't able to put it in the basket. 44-27 with 6 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. Sir Manyalak. Dumulas yun sa kamay ni Manyalak. Ito na naman si Manaloto. Dribbling violation for Ariel Manaloto. As Francis Galura, the dominant Francis Galura checks in. Still no field goal for this ball game. Which reminds me of having his 16-26 ratio on their last game. 16 points against their heartbreaking loss to Porac last week and 26 points against their victory sa Apalit. And him being scoreless for this ball game. Ayun pa, tumulas pa sa kamay niya yun. Naagaw pa yun dito ni Rafa Canlapan. Canlapan to Bungay. Para put back there ni Jeff Buton. No good. Oh, Canlapan. Nice block from Ivan Bernarte. Jano de Dios checks in for Ivan Bernarte. Easy basket for Nilo Lico. Dalawang 3-point shot at the end of the first half natin. Jumper, too strong. That one is good. For Ivan Buenlao. Whoa, what a move from Nilo Lico. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining with 2 man up top. Nilo Lico scores that basket. Take a look here. Hindi na kasi siya nahabol dito eh. Ni Justin Escobar. The easy basket for Nilo Lico. First time out on the floor. 48-29.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
As we take a look back here, SLA goes to Visayas for born 2004 and born 2007 na 19 under and 17 under category. Handa na ba ang mga kabataan ng Visayas dahil paparating na po sa April ang SLA Junior World Showcase sa inyong lugar. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagashasport@gmail.com or contact Deputy Commissioner for Visayas, Mr. Paul Joven at 0917-855-5565. Once again, Sinag Liga Asia goes to Visayas. Handa na po ba ang mga Bisaya para magpakitang gilas ang mga kabataan? 17 under and 19 under. As we take a look back here, 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Still for the side of Juan Magalang, we have here Likup, Manaloto, Canlapan, and Buton. As I mentioned, Buton, easy basket for Jeff Buton. But a violation for Nilo Lico. Sideline inbound for Santa Rita. Jumper for Luis Gilas. It's good now for Luis Gilas. Itong Santa Rita is actually quite a good team, covering them for multiple times, and seeing them play na hindi masyado converted yung mga attempt nila ng basket. There's something about this team right now. Parang siguro they wasn't able to rest after their game kahapon. But let's see, because we still have 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for the third quarter and we still have fourth quarter. In basketball, you can't say you win until you hear the final buzzer. As here, Juan Magalang. Si Pangilinan. Sean Pangilinan to David. David against Juan. Traveling violation for San David. To David for Juan Magalang on the hard court. We have here Franz David and Sean David. 2 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. Oh! What a long shot for Jano de Dios. Likop to Pangilinan. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. 14 on the shot clock. 18 pa din ang kalamangan nila dito. Likop for 3, that's short. David for a rebound. Kuha dito ni Luis Gilas, balik kay De Dios ang bola. Pero an offensive foul against Santa Rita. Still an 18-point lead for Juan Magalang with 2 minutes and 11 seconds remaining. It's time out on the floor, 52-34.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Of course, we're still live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center as we see here Mayor Malu Lacson of Magalang, Pampanga. So I was able to talk to him earlier at the halftime interview. 52-34, but first and foremost, of course, we would like to greet the man behind this Delta Cup Intermunicipalities and Cities basketball, of course. The head coach of Pampanga Delta, the head coach, Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Magandang umaga po, Gov. Happy watching po sa inyong bahay ngayong dito sa ating Delta Cup. As Jano De Dios, jumper, it's short for Santa Rita. Luis Gilas again, second jumper for Luis Gilas is good for this quarter. Baba sa 16 ang kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. Buwan against dito. Kay Pangilinan. Manaloto. Manaloto against 2. Traveling violation for Ariel Manaloto. As we can see here, head coach Joey Mercado of Juan Magalang Basketball.
28, Errol Manaloto for throwing the ball.
You can see here, Ariel Manaloto, medyo hindi siya okay sa tawag na yon. So nagrereklamo siya sa harap ng table officials kanina. Tapos sinasabi sa kanya kanina ni Coach Joey Mercado na sige na, hayaan mo na, bumaba ka na. See here, inbound for Santa Rita. Zaro De Dios still working here with Francis Galura, Buwan, Luis Gilas, and Manyalak. Balik ang possession sa Juan Magalang. 54-36. 16 pa din ang kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. Luis Gilas. Gilas. Oh, nice move from Gilas. I haven't seen him for a while doing that move. Going for that aggressive drive. Saan Pangilinan? Who will Pangilinan go to? Ay! Sorry, miss for Manaloto. Nagulat ako dun sa harap ko kasi nangyari. Oh, easy basket for Jano De Dios. 34 seconds, baba sa 14 ang kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. From the biggest lead, 20-point lead. Technical foul. Called by referee Dennis Escaro. To Ariel Manaloto. Akala ni Francis Galura doon siya, but then when he was able to, natong si coach ni referee Dennis Escaro. (54-40), 14. As we can see here, Coach Joey Mercado trying communicate with the officials at pinapakalma niya itong team captain niya na si Ariel Manaloto. So take a look on that last play. Na out of balance kasi siya dun. I think he's trying to get a foul for that time. See, he checks out for this ball game as Francis Galura, his first field goal of the ball game, surprisingly. Knowing this guy, tinauhan na ng assistant coach itong si Ariel Manaloto. Kasi medyo mainit yung ulo niya because of that call. And if you're one Magalang, kung natawagan ng teammate mo, especially your team captain, ng technical foul, of course, you're more eager to win the ball game. Here, Nilo Likup. Likup to David. Likup for 3. That's short. To si Jano De Dios. De Dios. Oh! Sorry, miss. Para dito si Panig ng Santa Rita. Dumulas na yon sa kamay niya. 54-41. Baba sa Samang Kalamangan to take that beautiful drive from Ariel Manaloto before the technical foul. And that easy drive, surprisingly, from Luis Gilas. Take a look here. Nilo Likup. Likup. Oh, nice pass to Jeff Buton. Makes it an easy basket for the aggressive Jeff Buton here. Jano De Dios. An easy basket for Jano De Dios. Makes this ball game 54-41. The biggest lead, 20-point lead as the end of the third quarter. Kaya mga kabalit, tutok lang po. Magbabalik po kami after this short break.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. You make. You break. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
We are back at the fourth and final quarter of this ballgame, 54-41. Of course, mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia, as the Hustle Rising Suns already signed a franchise for Sinag Liga Asia and will be participating at the 23 and 19 under. Of course, I would like to give a huge shout out to head coach J.R. De La Cruz and his father, Coach Bong De La Cruz of the Hustle Rising Suns. We're able to meet yesterday for the behind the scenes of the Hustle Rising Suns. It's 9 minutes and 38 seconds. 11 on the shot clock for Juan Magalang. No Ariel Manaloto. Let's take a look what will Dunga do. Kian Dunga. Easy basket for Kian Dunga. Missing your teammate at this, your captain for this ball game actually. So pinapahinga lang dito ni Coach Joey Mercado itong si Ariel Manaloto, si Nilo Likup. So we take a look here. Likup. That pass to Kian Dunga. Jano De Dios. Oh, sorry pass. Foul. Called dito kay Christian Hubinal. Nahawakan niya kasi nahawakan niya kasi dito si Jeff Buton. Jeff Buton, 56-41. First free throw, no good for Jeff Buton. From the 20 biggest point lead, baba sa 13. Makes it 14 again. Likup. Sideline inbound. Bungay. Bungay to Dungka. Trying to find an easy man. Out of bounds, but the possession still. So Juan Magalang with 2.9 seconds on the shot clock. 8 minutes and 52 seconds on the game clock. Likup. Bad pass to Likup. Iniisip niya kasi dito that they still, wala na silang oras to be able to set their play. Sideline inbound for Santa Rita. Gilas to Manyalak. Balik kay Gilas. Dito kay Francis Galura. Galura. That field goal. Good for Francis Galura. 3 points for Francis Galura for this ball game. Canlapan. Rafa Canlapan. To Likup. Likup against Buwan. Likup to Canlapan. Canlapan. Canlapan, no good. Luis Gilas. Foul for Jeff Buton. 8 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. 57 to 43. Labing-apat ang kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. Manyalak to Luis Gilas. Break kay Manyalak. Manyalak for 3. Swishes through the net. Nilo Likup against Buwan. Likup to Bungay. Bungay. Bungay for a drive. No good for Bungay. Galura. Galura with the jump shot. It's good for Francis. Galura baba. Susamang kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. 57 to 48 with 7 minutes and 31 seconds. Let's take a look here. This move from Francis Galura. Libreng-libre si Francis Galura and it swishes to the net. It's time out on the floor. 7 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. 57 to 48.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
To take a look here, the bench of Caloguran Santa Rita. 7 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. Still no aerial Manaloto for Juan Magalang. You have your Likup, Dungka, you have your itong si Bungay. Dungka against 2. Likup to Jeff Buton. Buton with a one-hand shot. Nakakuha pa siya ng foul doon. Against kay Manyalak. Jeff Buton scored 18 points against their victory kahapon sa Bayong Porac. A close ball game like this one. It wasn't actually a close ball game kanina. But when Ariel Manaloto got a technical foul, nakakuha na ng momentum itong Caloguran Santa Rita eh. As you can see here, Coach Aaron Laksaman and our referee Dennis Oscaro. Kino-contest na ito ni Coach Aaron. Yung foul na natawag dito kay Manyalak. 7 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. 57-48. Basta siya ng Kalamangan. Take a look at this. Yung foul na yon. Yung pinapoint out kasi doon kanina si Dennis, ni referee Dennis Escar, is tumama nga doon sa braso neto ni Jeff Button eh. Juan Magalang still working here. Jeff Button together with Dunka, David, Likup. And Rafa Canlapan for Juan Magalang. So para sa panig naman na itong Santa Rita, meron dito si Manyalak, Galura, the two Buwan, and itong si Luis Gilas. One out of two for Jeff Button on that free throw. 7 minutes remaining. Manyalak. Let's see what will Manyalak do with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Manyalak for three. That's no good. Rebound by Jeff Button. Bungay to Likup. Likup to Button. Button kay Canlapan. Canlapan kicks to Button. Almost a basket for Jeff Button. Luckily, nakakuha siya ng foul doon. Ginagamit na neto ni Jeff Button yung aggressiveness niya. Of course, knowing that Ariel Manaloto checks out for this ball game, or for their fourth quarter rather. Of course, losing your team captain, you want to prove something against your opposing team. Second throw is good for Jeff Button. 59-48, balik sa 11 ang Kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. Rebound for Juan Magalang. Offensive foul called on Rafa Canlapan. 6 minutes and 10 seconds.
Foul number 2. Jordan Bumay, his first 14 fouls.
6 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. 59-48. 11 ang Kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. Let's see kung paano nila pangangalagaan yung point advantage nila dito against the Santa Rita. Francis Galura for three. His first three-point shot of the ball game. 6 points for Francis Galura. Being scoreless from first to third quarter. Now being dominant the third quarter. Baba sa 8 ang Kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. Canlapan. Likup. Likup no good. Dito ni Jeff Button. Button. Still no good. Pero makuha pa din dito ni David. David with the one-hand shot. Still no good. Balik kay Canlapan ang bola. Canlapan against the three. David. That's short. Balik dito kay Francis Galura ang possession. 5 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. Galura. Galura with that one-hand jumper. Pinadaan pa doon ni Francis Galura sa board bago doon mag-basket. 59-53 from the 20-point lead advantage. Baba dito sa 6 ang Kalamangan ng Juan Magalang as Nilo Likup. Likup against Luis Gilas. Likup for one-handed shot. It's good for Nilo Likup. A much-needed basket for Juan Magalang. Francis Galura. Galura. Let's see. Who will he go to? Galura for three. That's short. Nakuha dito ni Bungay. Bungay to David. David to Likup. Likup against Buwan. James Buwan against Tito Likup. Likup on that one-hand shot. He draws a foul.
Foul number 24. That's his third personal.
4 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. What a fourth quarter run. Or a second half run, rather, for Santa Rita. As that first throw is good for Nilo Likup. 62-53 after that shot. That second throw is no good for Nilo Likup. Possession. Bernarte to Galura. Galura. Pero nakagawang mabalik ng Santa Rita sa kanila ang bola. As here, Francis Galura. Galura for 3. That's short. Balik pa din dito sa Santa Rita. That 3-point shot. That's short. David for the rebound. David to Jeff Buton. Jeff Buton against 2. Jeff Buton passes to Likup. Likup with 10 seconds on the shot clock. 3 minutes and 23 on the game clock. Likup. Likup on that one-hand shot. Medyo na palakas doon. Bato ni Nilo Likup. Luis Gilas. Out of bounds. Three minutes and 11 seconds remaining. You can feel here inside the BREN the intensity that is given by the bench of Juan Magalang. As Francis Galura. Six points for him for this ball game. 3-point shot. That is long. Rebound for Francis Galura. Jumper. It's good for Francis Galura. 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining. 62-55. Ito ang kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. David. David wants jumper, no good. Kanlapan is there. Bunga, ito Kanlapan. Nagiging malambot ang depensa ng Juan Magalang sa ilalim. But here, Jeff Buton. But a whistle. The foul called dito kay Ivan Bernarte of Santa Rita after that attempted shot ng Juan Magalang.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Inbound for Santa Rita. Manyalak working here with Escobar, Ivan Bernarte, Buanlao, and Francis Galura. The possession balik sa Juan Magalang. Good D from Francis Galura. That's what I am talking about. A good defense showed by Francis Galura against Jeff Buton. He doesn't want that possession na ma-convert into a basket, lalo na pito lang ang hinahabol dito ng Santa Rita. Great thing about Francis Galura, he wasn't able to deliver big points for his team today, but he was able to provide a good defense. Binawi niya sa depensa yung hindi niya pag-score dito sa ball game na to. As we approach the last 2 minutes of our ball game, and a traveling violation called against Ivan Bernarte. Doesn't want to give an easy back possession for Juan Magalang this time. David. Likup. Likup to Bungay. Bungay, nice kick to Rafa Canlapan. Balik kay Bungay. Balik kay David. David to Jeff Bouton. One-hand shot. That is no good for Jeff Bouton. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. Ivan Bernarte to Francis Galura. Galura to Manyalak. Luis Gilas for 3. And it's good for Luis Gilas. 1 minute and 26 seconds remaining after the 3-point shot of Luis Gilas. Timeout for Juan Magalang basketball as we take a look here. Oh, easy pass. They were able to set up their good play na libreng-libre itong si Luis Gilas doon sa corner, sa right wing as timeout on the floor, 62-58.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
As we are back at the last 1 minute and 26 seconds remaining, Lico. And here, of course, the hero, Luis Gila, scoring that 3-point shot. Makes this ballgame 62-58. Apat na lang ang inahabol dito ng Santa Rita from the 20-point lead advantage of Juan Magalang. David against the 4. And a traveling violation called on David. Easy possession for Santa Rita. Sideline inbound for Caluguran, Santa Rita. 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining. Ivan Bernarte to Francis Galura. Francis Galura against Rafa Canlapan. No good. Balik pa din dito sa Santa Rita ang ball possession. Manyalak to Luis Gilas. Luis Gilas to Escobar. Almost a good save from Jeff Bouton pero hindi napunta sa kanilang possession. Gilas, no good this time. As you can see here, Mayor Malu Lacson. Katayo na dito si Mayor Malu. With 44 seconds and 44.6 seconds remaining as meron pong review ang ating mga referees. It's an important possession. They need to be sure kung sino nga ba ang huling nakatap sa basketball. Let's take a look here at the replay. Na-tap talaga dito on that agawan neto ni Jeff Bouton. So ay possession belongs to Santa Rita. Apat lang ang inahabol ng Caluguran Santa Rita. Francis Galura with 14 seconds on the shot clock. He goes to Manyalak. Manyalak goes to Bernarte. Bernarte, steal for Rafa Canlapan. Pero naagaw pa din dito ni Manyalak. Canlapan to Galura. Galura. Sorry, miss for Francis Galura. The whistle for Ivan Bernarte. Penalty na. 24.1 seconds remaining. An important basket for Rafa Canlapan. Not to mention that the free throw percentage of Juan Magalang basketball is quite good. Kaya during this crucial times, during this crucial seconds of the ball game, they are really trying to get a foul and able to secure a point advantage and to secure their win. That shot is good for Rafa Canlapan. 24.1 seconds remaining. 63 to 58. 5 ang kalamangan ng Juan Magalang. Final timeout. Tingnan natin kung paano i-secure ni Coach Aaron Laksamana at ni Coach Joey Mercado ang kanilang last play. As we take a look here, itong Juan Magalang basketball at itong Caluguran Santa Rita. If in any case Caluguran Santa Rita wins, they will advance dito sa ating team standing. At kung itong Juan Magalang, they will still mareremain sila dito sa kanilang standing with 5 wins and 6 losses. A very important win for both teams. Tignan natin kung sino ang magpapakita ng mga dominant side nila for the last 24.1 seconds remaining. Galura. Galura to De Dios. De Dios to Galura. Galura for 3. That is long for Galura. Here's a basket for Bungay. Bungay trying na i-execute itong 11 seconds remaining. And that's it. That's it. And that's it. Juan Magalang dominantly wins this ball game with a 5-point lead advantage. 63 to 58 is our final score. You can see here, Mayor Malu Lacson, that sweet smile after the sweet victory of Juan Magalang basketball. A different level of Juan Magalang basketball ang pinakita dito sa atin ng Magalang Pampanga for today. As you can see them here celebrating, ending this elimination round with a bang. But 2 straight wins, 2 straight lucky wins off the turn of ending the eliminations. Our final score, 63 to 58. 5 with a 5-point lead advantage. At ngayon kasama ko na nga ang ating best player of the game, Milo Licop. Milo, first of all, congratulations. You end this elimination round na dalawa yung panalo niya. You always win yesterday at ngayon nanalo ulit kayo. How did you handle the pressure nung nawala si Ariel Manaloto?
Kailangan namin mag-step kasi nawala siya eh. Siya lang yung team captain namin na gumagawa sa amin. Kaya tinuloy namin, nagtrabaho kami mabuti.
Nilo, papasok ng playoffs, ano ba ang dapat namin i-expect para sa isang Milo Licop at para sa Juan Magalang basketball?
Magti-training pa kami, tsaka kailangan namin magtrabaho talaga eh. Down kami lagi 3-5. Ngayon 5-5 na kami, kailangan namin manalo.
Now, Nilo, I will give you the chance to greet all your family, friends, at sa lahat ng supporters ng Juan Magalang basketball.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay God at sa aming mayora, si Malu Paras Lacson. At yung family ko nandun, at saka yung girlfriend ko, yung coach namin, yung taga San Pedro Dos. Tsaka sila Poy, no? Tsaka yung taga Lauban Boys, binabati ko pala. Thank you po.
Once again, Nilo, congratulations and good luck entering the playoffs and ending this elimination round with a bang with a 2 straight win for this week. Once again, that's Nilo Licop, our best player of the game from Juan Magalang basketball. 63 to 58 rather is our final score. Juan Magalang dominantly win this ball game against Caluguran Santa Rita, ending our eliminations with a bang. Of course, coming up next is Juan Sasmuan contra United Tumasan Ballers. For the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito sa ating Delta Cup 2023 to 2024, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Boyet, and the rest, of course, this has been Penelope Wilhelmina, and I'm saying that life is a better place to be when basketball came along.